Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to remove author and date from your WordPress post. So let's see how we can do it. So we will remove author and date from the WordPress post using plugin and a code. So you can use the method that best suits your need. So at first we will try the code and then we will try the plugin. So we will go to our WordPress website dashboard and then click on appearance and then click on customize from here. And here we will see an option additional CSS. So we are going to click on it and then we are going to paste our code here and then click on publish from the top. So now we are going to refresh it, open the post, and here we will not see author and date. If the code is not working for you, go back to WordPress website dashboard, click on plugins and then click on add plugin. Now search for WP Meta and Date Remover. Install this first plugin. Click on activate. Click on allow and continue. Click primary settings from here. And here you will see the options remove date and remove author. Just turn them on and then click on save changes. So this is how you can remove date and author from your WordPress post. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.